Everyone, it's Kyle with the Case and Kyle team and Royal LePage, and today we're going to look at the market update for the month of June. In Ontario, we're starting to open up a bit more, so we'll have to monitor over the next couple of months how that affects the real estate market, but let's look at the numbers for the month of June. Let's start by looking at Hamilton. Once again, we're going to start by looking at the average sale price, but we're doing a little different this month. We're going to compare month over month like we've been doing for the last couple of months, as well as comparing it year over year. So we're going to see the short-term and long-term effects of what's happening in the real estate market. So with the average sale price in May, we saw it go from $811,000, which we saw in last month's video. If you want to see that video or previous videos, click the link down below and you'll get the playlist for all of those. And then we saw that go down to $804,000 in June. So this is very common. We've seen this in past months. It goes up and down depending on if some higher priced homes are sold or lower priced homes sold that month. So this is very common. Now, if we compare it from June 2020 to June 2021, in June 2020, we saw the average sale price of $632,000 and it jumped up, as we saw, to $804,000. This is a 27% increase. This is consistent with what we've seen over the last number of months. The real estate market has exploded, especially in Hamilton, due to the price point and a lot of people moving out of the city of Toronto and investors looking in Hamilton, as it is a more affordable market than both Burlington and Oakville. Okay, on to Burlington. Starting in May, we saw the average sale price of $1,001,000, and that jumped up to $1,169,000, and that is a 16% increase month over month. Now that is bigger than any other change we've seen compared to all of the past months that we've looked at the month-to-month analysis. And the reason this is because there were some large priced homes that were sold within the month of June. So we saw 3 homes that were in the $3 million range sell in June, as well as one that was in above $4 million. So this has a major impact on the average sale price, bringing it up for this month. It should level off again in July, unless there are some bigger priced homes sold once again. Now in June of 2020, we saw the average sale price at $862,000. It jumped by 26.2%, which is very consistent with what we've been seeing in Hamilton and Oakville, and it's continuing as we go each and every month compared to last year. Now finishing off with Oakville. In May, we saw the average sale price at $1,548,000, and that jumped up to $1,571,000 in the month of June. This is a very normal increase that we see in a month-to-month analysis, and it shows that the prices are leveling off within Oakville, unlike the previous videos where we saw that the prices were coming down, and now we know that it's just a slight adjustment that has occurred in the market. If we compare it year over year to June 2020, we saw the average sale price at that time at $1,303,000, and that is a 17% increase. Now the reason why Hamilton and Burlington are growing at a faster rate than Oakville is because of the price of the homes. More people can afford to buy a home in Burlington or Hamilton, therefore there's more competition driving up the prices quicker there than it would be in Oakville, where there are less people who can afford this price point. And that's your market update for the month of June. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can stay up to date on all future videos. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at Case and Kyle Team and on Facebook at Case and Kyle. And if you have any questions, make sure you comment down below, and I will talk to you next time.